Now, I know nobody's interested in seeing some long, drawn out time-lapse montage of me taking this thing apart, but that's the end of day 2. I mean, I like the air filter just hanging out there in left field. Obviously we got to put some tubes, something to protect this front end. It's going to need something else there, but I'm kind of thinking of leaving the hood on. Let me know what you think. Reach out to me. Stick the coilovers and screw them all the way up. I mean, there's all kinds of clearance in there now. I should be able to stick, I don't know, at least like a 32, maybe even 33, I don't know. Stick a bigger tire on them 17-inch Cobra wheels. Still got a little bit more to pull off in the front end. Then we do the pull off the doors, set the interior, get rid of the trunk. They're gonna keep in the top too. I don't know. What do you think? Might be kind of cool. Have a little protection from the sun down here in Florida. But a couple more hours into it. Let me know what you think.